Hey dolls and gents, I'm back with another makeup tutorial on this look right here. It's giving very sexy glam. I love the way that this look turned out. This is how I've been doing my base as of late, and I do switch my eyes and lips just depending on my vibe. I recently just hit my 14-year anniversary on YouTube, which is insane to even think. I want to thank those of you who have watched my videos from the beginning when I had no idea what I was doing with my makeup until now. I'm still learning new techniques, I'm still trying new products, but I'm more so into my skin as of late. So one thing I want to say is if your base is not bomb, your makeup is not going to look bomb. You can have the best makeup techniques, but you need a bomb canvas to start with. Your foundation, as in your skin, needs to be in its best shape. So if you do not have a great skincare routine right now, I will link my latest skincare regimen video in the description box down below. If you have dry skin, I highly recommend that you exfoliate and moisturize your skin well before applying makeup. If you have oily skin, please do not skip out on moisturizing your skin. If you want to continue to see makeup tutorials on my YouTube channel, then be sure to thumbs up this video, share it with all your friends, and if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button down below, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you want to create this look with me, go ahead, get your makeup, and let's get started. Starting off by prepping the lips, I'm using the Laneige Gummy Bear Lip Glowy Balm. It looks good, it smells good, a win is a win. Next, I'm going in with my discontinued primer water from Smashbox. Ugh, I'm still upset about that. But now I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I love these two combined. It is like a powerhouse for keeping my foundation on, and it glides on so smooth. Next, I'm using the NYX Brow Glue in the shade Dark Brown. I have used this in the original clear shade, but I'm loving the dark brown. It really helps to just stick those eyebrow hairs in place. I don't have many, but I definitely wanted to prep them before I do my foundation because I like this to set first. For my foundation today, I'm using an OG, of course. If I want my skin to be flawless, but doesn't require a lot of effort, the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation is bomb for that, y'all. I'm using the shade 520 Suede W. When I tell you your skin looks like a filter in real life, yes ma'am. Y'all better get one of these foundations if you haven't already. I will have it linked down below if you're interested. By the way, I am pressing the foundation into the skin when I first apply it, and then I start to swipe it a bit where I want it to be more blended. So if you want more coverage, tap, tap, tap it in. And if you want to blend, then swipe. Okay, that's gonna give you a flawless foundation. I have not found a concealer duo that works better than these two together. The Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer and the Tarte Shape Tape. Y'all, I think they got rid of the Urban Decay Stay Naked. I think they replaced it with the Quickie, if I'm not mistaken. Everything that I love has been getting discontinued, which I'm like, what the heck? So while that concealer is setting a bit, I'm using the Black Radiance Foundation Stick in the shade 6825. And I like to use this product to add color back into my skin. It gives it dimension, and I'm applying it to my cheekbone areas, my jawline, and the bridge of my nose. It is going to snatch that nose in place, honey, okay? So now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in deep, and I'm applying this to the bridge of my nose, also my forehead, the middle of above my lip, and my chin area. Now I'm applying the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Cream Blush in the shade Crush on Cupid. It is a gorgeous, like hot pink kind of shade. It's really pretty, y'all. and I love applying this before I blend the concealer. So now I'm taking a damp beauty blender. This one is from e.l.f. and I'm blending out all the highlighted portions of my skin. I like to save the under eye for last because I really like that area to set because it makes it more full coverage. And I like that area super bright, y'all. Take your time to blend your makeup. If you're in a rush, then by all means, you gotta do what you gotta do. But if you have time, then baby, take your time, blend that concealer out, go back and forth between that beauty blender, the brush, and it's going to look flawless, okay? I wanted a full coverage glam. This is what I've been doing whenever I want to take photos or I'm going out for the night or I have like some sort of special occasion. This gives every time. It looks so bomb. Now I'm going in with the same brush that I used for the cream blush and I'm just blending it with the concealer. So I'm setting all the highlighted areas of my face with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder in the shade Banana. This is gonna further brighten those areas as well as set them in place so they don't budge or crease. Let's get these brows together. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown on the tails of my brows. And now I'm drawing hair-like strokes in the front of my brow using the NYX Brow Tint Pen in the shade Brunette. Now I'm going to clean up underneath my brows with a cream concealer. This one is from the NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour palette in the shade Deep. And I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. And I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again in the shade Deep and apply this all over the eyelids and blend it out to get rid of the discoloration on my eyelids and set it for eyeshadow. Let's bake with the Makeup Revolution baking powder in the shade Banana Deep. This is going to set those under eyes as well as allow it to not have any fallout from the eyeshadow. We can simply just sweep it away because I am going to use glitter today, y'all. Now I'm going to warm up my crease with a mid-tone warm brown shade. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Brick. It's a beautiful matte eyeshadow. I wanted my eyelids to have a lot of shine, so I'm mixing two glittery eyeshadows from Kaja Beauty. This is one of their beauty bentos in the shade Chocolate Dahlia, and I'm using the top two shades. Let's clean up all that baking powder underneath our eyes. I'm just sweeping it away, y'all. And to set my entire face, I'm using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation in the shade R520. For bronzer, I'm using one of my faves. Y'all are probably sick of me using this bronzer. So if you have one that is bomb AF, let me know what it is and I'll try it out. But this is the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. And I'm using this on every portion of my skin that I contoured. So why do I always try to do like a simple wing liner, but it always gets thicker and more dramatic? Like, story of my life. But I love this liquid liner from the Balm. It's called Shwing, and I always go back to it. It's so bomb. I actually prefer it over the NARS Climax. To me, it just has a much easier control. So I finally got some new lashes. Give your girl a pat on the back. These are from Kiss, and these are the Lash Couture Masterpiece lashes. Is this like a certain style? Oh, it says MPL02, and y'all, these are 30% off at Ulta right now. Y'all better run and get these, okay? If you see me wearing a glossy nude lip as of late, it is more than likely gonna be the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Cinnamon Roll. That's what I'm wearing today. It is bomb by itself. It's bomb mixed. You need it in your life. For highlighter today, I'm using an oldie, but definitely bomb AF. This is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess highlighter in the shade Heat Wave, y'all. Yes, it definitely just illuminates your entire face. I'm blowing out my lower lash line with the same shade that we used in the crease earlier. And y'all know how I feel about bottom eyelash mascara. I've gotta have it. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High in the shade Cosmic Black. Let's add black eyeliner to the waterline. This one is from Urban Decay. This is their Perversion liner. It's like the darkest black ever. I love it. Last but not least, let's set the makeup on our skin and get rid of that powdery look using the MAC Fix Plus spray. Y'all are so amazing. I appreciate your continued love and support. I hope that y'all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up. That really helps out a lot. Also, leave me a comment letting me know what you think about this look. Would you rock it? And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. I've been posting a ton of new content on my channel. Be sure to click the box right here and it will take you straight to my latest one.